Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to export your chat history from WhatsApp on both iPhone and Android, so you can actually save or share your conversations easily. So for iPhone, simply open your WhatsApp, then go to the chat you want to export. From here, you will then have to tap on the contact or group name at the top. Then scroll down and select Export Chat. So you can now choose to export with media or without media. Then select how you want to send or save the file. So this could be via email or iCloud. So this is it for iPhone. Now Android is pretty similar. You simply have to open WhatsApp, then go to the chat, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then from there you have to select more, then export chat. And again, simply choose whether you want to include media and then select where you want to save or send the chat file. So such as Google Drive or email. So after doing this, your WhatsApp conversations will then be exported safely and can be accessed outside the app whenever you need them. And that's it. So that's how to export your WhatsApp chat on iPhone and Android. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.